Hello again, folks. This is the Shackleman Challenge number 5 attempt. Now, for this, we have to use a tension tool, which was already a tension tool, and modify it so we can get into these, the TCH 850s folding rigid with triple pawl system. So, that being said, we also have to go through their modifications. So, as you all know, I've got this tension roll here. So I just picked out a generic tension tool. And as you can see, I've started to make a bit of a modification just there. And to do that, all I did was worked out with that on my wrist, basically which way I'd have to be turning. So with it being on there, I wanted to make sure that I didn't have to turn this return on the tensioner into my wrist. So if I was decided there, then that being said, I just got my key and lined it up to make a key blade type height, and then colour in with a Sharpie around here. And then all I did then was literally just get a big file, hold it with my finger and thumb as a guide, and run it up and down like so. And like so, this is it. Like I say, I'm a bit rustic with my tool making. Rough and ready, but it gets the job done. You can still see a bit of the marker on there. But that's what I come up with anyway. And that was out of a tension roll. And that is to roughly emulate the key somewhat. So with that being said, that's how I did it. That's what I've got. That's what it's from. So now we have to put the cuffs on, Hollywood style. Keyways out. Double lock up. And then put the double locks on. Cool, that right one's a bit tight. Never mind, we'll go with it, see what happens. So double locks are on, folks. And then we have to, I'm going to go in this side first because that right side's a bit tight. See if we can get the double lock off. I did have one practice on this. I didn't want to practice it too much and weaken the tensioner. So yeah, we'll see if this goes. I struggled with this way first, actually. There we go, that's a double lock off. And then again, try and do this through the camera. It's something else. Okay, let's see if we can get these poles. There we go. That's one side. So, yeah, here we go again. Let's see if we can get the double lock off. get it on a firm footing. That's for double lock off. Much struggling. Again, I don't have the same finesse as the other shacklemen, but I don't care because I'm enjoying the challenges and I'm enjoying the learning and I'm having fun. And for me, the only person I'm competing with is myself. So, I'll get it right in a minute. Never got it stuck. The challenge is real. I've got to think now. What way am I going? I've forgotten. There we go. Once I remembered what I was doing again. So yeah, that's it. That's my homemade. It's 2/10 tension tool. TCH 850s. Yet again, thank you to the Shacklemen founders and Coxie for the challenges. Awesome, awesome. Love it all. And until next time, take care, everyone. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
We are shacklemen. We are not sporters. We shim. We pick handcuffs. Expect challenges.